Today's video is regarding brother printer. To go on the display panel and click on the menu, scroll it down and look for the network option and click OK. Now click on the WLAN and then go for the setup wizard and click OK. And here you have to switch it on, so click OK again. Once you switch it on, you will see here it shows up the available wireless networks, and you simply have to select the network you want and click OK. Now you have to enter the password of your network. To enter the password, you simply have to use the up and down keys, and it will display the digits and numbers, also the special characters, so you can enter from there and then click OK. So let's enter the password. So once we enter the password, click OK. It will ask you to apply the settings. Yes. Now it's connecting. So once it is connected, you will see this Wi-Fi light will stay on. It is connected, so we can press OK again. Thanks for watching.